was you who caged me the last time, wasn't it? This time, I won't bother with the cage creep! I'll fillet you for that! You've got a few new tricks, too. Rampage! Attack! This is for Colony Omicron!
Warning. Activate repair sequence immediately.
Let's finish it, X.
Not so fast, hombre. That crab may be ugly, but he's a Predacon! Too slow. Uh-oh.
It's him. Let's get him back to base.
What about...
I think he's had enough. For now.
So, who is this herring anyway?
Depth Charge was in charge of security for Colony Omicron. Protoform X escaped there and leveled the colony.
Only Depth Charge survived.
From then on, Depth Charge hunted Protoform X. After 4 stellar cycles, he brought him back to Cybertron. He asked the High Council to find a way to destroy his spark.
They turned him over to us instead. Depth Charge wasn't too happy with the decision.
So he's got a lot of angst. The question is, how'd he get here?
Repair cycle complete.
Now's our chance to ask. What the pit are you?
I guess I've changed since we last met, Depth Charge.
Primal.
Alert. Protoform X still functional.
I'm Cheater. Thanks for pulling me out of the water.
Go chase a mouse.
Ooh, talk about rude.
Depth Charge!
Why are you here, Primal?
We were about to ask you the same thing.
I have no idea. Some kind of anomaly trashed my ship. I was searching the galaxy for your mistake.
We have bigger problems here, Depth Charge.
Good. Then X is mine again.
Wait!
Back off, Primal. You blew it. Just like I told the High Council you would.
Stubborn as ever.
Let him go. The Preds will change his mind. Or make him into fish sticks.
I don't like him much either, but he's still Maximal.
It can't be. It's the Ark. And this is Earth. You've traveled back in time.
Yeah, a few million stellar cycles back in time. And Megatron and his Preds are trying to slag the Autobots.
It's not a joke. We're in a war to save our own future. And we could use your help.
You want my help? I still have your first mess to clean up. Now where's the way out?
What's with him?
Probably rust.
Depth charge, let it go! You're not responsible for what X did on Omicron, and neither am I. Stop looking for revenge and do something to help.
It's not revenge I'm looking for. It's justice.
Open the doors. X is not alone. He's a Predacon now under Megatron's control. There are 6 of them.
I've got to hand it to you, Primal. When you screw up, you do it big time. But thanks for the tip.
So, you think he'll come back?
There was a time he would never have left. Rampage changed that.
It was really so very nice of you to come. So glad you can stay. Oh, we'll have such fun. Oh, yeah.